Alright guys, so welcome once again back to Biology Lectures with Akarina and Philip. So we'll move on to the next cellular component of the blood, which is the white blood cell. Now this white blood cells basically are the immune system of the body. I wish this was an A-level class. I would have go in depth into that, but you might want to check up my other videos for that in the A-level section. So it says these are the immune system responsible for what? Defending us against infections. Now white blood cells do what? They govern and digest pathogens. When we say govern and digest pathogens, please hear this part. This digestion is done by a type of white blood cell called phagocyte. Phagocyte simply means a cell that has the capacity to do what? To engulf. Let me show you what that means here real quick. Okay, here. This is what phagocytosis means. This is a cell that is engulfing another cell here. So you're going to trap this cell here right now. This is phagocytosis. So the cell is trapped in and it secretes some digestive enzymes to digest this after some time, so to say. That's not captured in this video. But phagocytosis means a cell engulfing another cell. All right. So the cell that does that is called phagocyte, and the process is called phagocytosis. So now it's important we remember some few things. Like I said, it's not all white blood cells that could do that. Some that can do that are the one called phagocytes. Now it says here, another type of white blood cell is called lymphocyte, which produces antibodies. This is the major immune system that produces antibodies to fight specific diseases that humans have, all sorts of things like that. So basically, lymphocytes are the ones that produces antibody and antitoxins, which help to neutralize toxic substances released by bacteria or pathogens, so to say. So don't forget these two parts. Phagocytes are a type of white blood cells that has the capacity to do what? To engulf, and lymphocytes are the type of white blood cells that produces antibodies, which is the one responsible for the major immunity we have. So it says here, adaptations of white blood cells. Okay, phagocytes have a lobed nucleus and an autonomous ability to weak place, which makes them leave the blood cells and patrol into that part of the body. Like I said, they have, especially there's one called neutrophils that can leave the blood vessels. What we mean is this is the blood, these are the tissue. So blood cells are here, but these phagocytes have ability to do what? They can actually come out through the pores of the capillaries and come out here to take care of things in the tissues. So they have the ability to patrol. It means they could leave the blood and get things done there. All right, unlike other ones that stay in the blood cells. On the other hand, it says lymphocytes have a large nucleus that produces what? Antibodies extremely quickly when required to do so. All right, so these are the various examples of white blood cells. This guy called neutrophils and this monocyte are the ones I told you earlier on that they are what? They are phagocytes. They can engulf. While these are lymphocytes, the ones that produce antibodies, and these one basophils and eosinophils, they take care of the body against some asthmatic kind of attack and some other kind of allergic reactions. All right, but for the sake of GCSE, you won't be bothered to talk about in depth that. We just need to know what phagocytes means, what lymphocytes do, basically. All right, so once again, this is what phagocytosis means, which means phagocytes engulfing another cell.